Welcome to a day in the life of a student in the Dental Assisting Technology and Management program at Charlotte Technical College. In this comprehensive program, students experience a unique blend of didactic, academic, and clinical instruction. From the classroom to the clinic, students learn invasive procedures such as placing retraction cords and dental dams to non-invasive tasks like impression taking and patient education. But it doesn't stop there. Our students also gain hands-on experience in the dental lab, honing their skills to perfection. And let's not forget the importance of administrative tasks. Our program covers everything, from receptionist duties to clerical functions. To ensure a well-rounded education, our students participate in clinical rotations through local dental offices in our community. Upon completion, graduates of the Dental Assisting Technology and Management program unlock a world of opportunities. Job opportunities include becoming dental assistants and healthcare support workers. This program covers it all, with courses like Introduction to Dental Assisting, Dental Infection Control Assistant, Dental Assistant 1, which includes radiography and dental lab work, and Dental Assistant 2, with extensive clinical rotations. The total hours dedicated to your education add up to 1,230. So, if you're ready to embark on a fulfilling career in the world of dental assisting, look no further than Charlotte Technical College. Enroll in our Dental Assisting Technology and Management program today and start your career on the right path with Charlotte Technical College.